Hello dear kids, welcome back to First in Class. Wish you a very happy Makar Sankranti and a very happy Lodi as well. So kids, in today's video we are going to make a beautiful paper kite, and if you want to enjoy this video, just watch my video till the end and make this beautiful craft with me. So my friends, for making this beautiful kite you need two colored papers. Any color, you can choose only one or two, that is totally up to you. And you have to take this wooden stick, a thin stick. You have to use some sellotape and glue and a scissor with some markers for designing. So keeping everything aside, we just have to start up with this paper and we have to fold it like this. Join these ends. Then we have to fold this from over here. Something like this. So we got a desired square that we want. We have to cut this thing out. Now you have to keep this aside and you have to take this as well and do the same thing as we have done with this sheet. Again, now you have to cut this thing from over here and you have to paste it like this. So you just have to fold this into a half. Then we'll get a center line and then you have to paste this like, join the center line of both the sheets, something like this. Put some glue and now this is your kite. Now we have to put these sticks over here, something like this. So we are using sellotape for this and start pasting. Now we are going to paste this like this. So our kite is ready. Now we are going to decorate this using our markers. So you can make eyes and whatever you want. I am making some polka dots, different color polka dots. So my dear friends, my kite is all ready. I hope you are also done with your craft. You just have to tie a thread so you can take the help of your parents. And then your kite is ready to fly in the sky high. So I hope you love this. Kids, I hope you loved this video. If you enjoyed watching it, please turn black thumb blue. That means like our video, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Do comment if you want to learn something new. And you can also follow us on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. The links are in the description. Please go and check it out fast. So this is all for our